What's going on, everybody? Welcome to week number 3, the American Revolution. How apt we were looking at the American Revolution during times that feel like it might be another revolution coming on. So I hope you are well with everything that's going on with the pandemic and the riots going on across the country. Make sure you're out there being safe and being smart. It's going to be difficult to focus on your history, but maybe it will be a good escape for you. So anyway, back to Chapter 3. We're looking at Carnes. Chapter 4, The American Revolution, aptly named. Zinn, Chapter 4, Tyranny is Tyranny, and that will be looking at sort of the class struggle that is involved and pretty much embedded all in American history, something Zinn has a specialty for. And then Colonies No More by Schweikart, Chapter 3. As well as a short article by Jerry Carino, The Bloody Shrapnel Discovered at Monmouth Battlefield, first of its kind. That's going to be sort of like a investigative piece, kind of like we did with Roanoke. So we're also going to have 2 documentaries this week, 2 sections of one actually. Rebels and Redcoats, The Shot Heard Around the World, as well as Rebels and Redcoats, The World Turned Upside Down. They're both put together by BBC, and I think it's interesting to take a look at the American Revolution through the eyes of the British, and it sort of gives us a different perspective to kind of look at. So you have that, as well as 2 form questions. Both are going to be looking at Valley Forge. Very different ways of looking at it, so hopefully you enjoy that. And when you get all that done, you're going to have quiz number 2. Make sure, again, we're having some miscommunication here. You got to have a Respondus lockdown browser put into your computer. All the information for that is going to be just under course information right above the syllabus on the left side of your Blackboard. And go there and it'll teach you how to get all that set up. You have to have that to take the quizzes and tests in this class. So. One other thing, I'm getting a lot of questions on a forum discussion. Make sure you understand that each forum discussion question that you answer, you'll have 2 a week. You need to have 2 responses, rebuttals, or questions to peers. So if you have 2 questions and 2 responses to each of those questions, it's a total of 4. I'm not sure where the confusion is coming from, but make sure that you do that. So that's pretty much for this week. Obviously, if you have any questions or anything, including your final thesis, which is due in a couple weeks for your final project, let me know. Reach out to me, and if you don't feel comfortable turning that thesis into me yet, we can even just bounce ideas off each other and get you something good going on. So I'm available to you. I'll do my best. I got like 4 side hustles going on, so I've got 4 kids, so I can't always be near my computer. But I'll do my best to answer your questions as soon as possible. So that's all I got for you right now. Hopefully, again, you're doing well. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in week 4.